You alone, I put my trust. Let me never be ashamed. Deliver me in your righteousness and make your mercy proclaim. Bow down your ear to hear me. Be my rock of defense so strong. Pull me out of the hidden net, for you are the strength I lean on. Into your hands I commit my spirit. You have redeemed me, Lord of truth. You are my shelter in the storm, my comfort in my youth. I've hated those who trust in life, but I will trust in you alone. I will be glad and rejoice in mercy, for you have known my soul. You have not shut me in the hand of the enemy, but set my feet in open space. Have mercy on me, Lord, I'm in trouble. My eyes and my soul grow faint. They whisper against me, Lord. They take counsel to take my life. But I trust in you, O Lord. I said, you are my God. My time is in your hands. Make your face shine on your servant. Save me for your mercy's sake. Let the wicked be silent in darkness, and every lying tongue break. How great is your goodness, Lord, laid up for those who fear. You hide them in the secret of your presence and dry their every tear. Into your hands I commit my spirit. You have redeemed me, Lord of truth. Be strong, let your heart take courage, all you that hope in you.